Ready to take your tool organization to the next level? In today's video, we're showcasing the best tool chests on the market. From durable designs to spacious compartments, these chests will keep your tools safe, accessible, and organized. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, there's a perfect fit for you. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. DeWalt 6-Drawer Rolling Organizer Tool Chest. Many users prefer investing in premium accessories like a tool chest from a trusted brand. With that in mind, we begin our list with a top-rated option from the renowned brand DeWalt. At the forefront, we have the DeWalt Rolling Tool Chest, a highly popular choice known for its affordability and generous storage capacity. This tool chest features a spacious design, including 6 drawers and a bottom cabinet, all constructed from high-quality cold-rolled steel. Its robust build is further enhanced by an anti-rust coating, ensuring durability and resistance to environmental wear and tear. The unit includes 4 small drawers, 2 large drawers, and 2 small trays, providing ample space to organize your tools effectively. One of its standout features is the detachable upper box storage, which can serve as a portable unit, allowing you to carry your tools conveniently. For added security, all drawers are equipped with a key lock, keeping your tools safe even when you're away from your workspace. Additionally, the DeWalt Rolling Tool Chest is equipped with 4 swivel casters, making it easy to move the unit wherever you need it. Best features. Made up of alloy steel, features 6 drawers. The top section is removable, swivel casters to allow free movement. Number 2. Keter Master Loader Resin Rolling Tool Chest Box. Keep your heavy-duty tools organized and easily transport them between projects with the Keter Master Loader Rolling Tool Box. This robust resin toolbox offers a remarkable 66-pound tool hauling capacity, making it ideal for carrying both hand tools and power tools, as well as hardware. Made from durable polypropylene resin, it is weather-resistant, ensuring your tools remain protected from the elements. The Master Loader is designed for convenience, featuring a telescoping handle and 2 7-inch heavy-duty wheels that make it easy to pull. The 2 top storage boxes can be slid aside to provide access to the main storage area below. One of the top wings includes a clear plastic lid, perfect for storing smaller items like screws and nails. The box also has a top-mounted latch to keep your tools secure. Although it does not have a lock, we found the Master Loader to be user-friendly, with one-handed opening and ample access to the tools inside. The separate compartments for hand tools, power tools, and parts were especially useful. However, the telescoping handle could be improved, as the button occasionally stuck. The bottom divider provides generous space for larger tools such as hammers, power drills, and flashlights. Number 3. Big Red ANTBD 133XB Torin 20-inch Portable Tool Chests. Now that we've covered some of the top large tool chest options, let's shift focus to more compact alternatives. Among the most budget-friendly choices is the Big Red ANTBD 133XB, which stands out for its affordability without sacrificing reliability. While even smaller toolboxes can be costly, Big Red offers an excellent, economical solution. The ANTBD 133XB is a compact tool chest, measuring just 20-47x8, 58x11, 81 inches. Despite its smaller size, it comes equipped with 3 drawers, providing efficient storage space for organizing your tools. To ensure your tools stay secure during transport, the top is fitted with metal latches that prevent tools from spilling due to shocks or impacts. Inside the drawers, you'll find ball bearings, which allow for smooth and seamless movement. For added convenience, the toolbox features an ergonomic handle, making it easy to carry from one location to another. Overall, the Big Red ANTBD 133XB combines strength, portability, and effective organization, making it a standout choice for those in need of a small, budget-friendly tool chest. Best features. Made up of alloy steel and metal, features 3 drawers, a comfortable and ergonomic handle, powder-coated with red paint. Number 4. Craftsman Rolling 5-Drawer Tool Chest Combo. Craftsman is a trusted name in the world of professional tools, known for offering durable and high-quality products. If you're already a fan of Craftsman tools, their tool chest is an excellent addition to house your growing collection. Ranking in 3rd place, the Craftsman tool chest is not only affordable but also one of the toughest options available. Made from high-quality alloy steel, it features a construction of 20 to 24 gauge steel, ensuring long-lasting durability. Despite its heavy-duty build, the unit weighs just about 30 pounds, making it relatively lightweight for its size. Along with the tool chest, you'll also receive a large cabinet for storing bulkier items. This tool chest comes with 5 full extension drawers, each equipped with ball bearings for smooth, effortless movement. The drawers are designed to allow easy access, making it simple to add or remove tools. With a total load capacity of 300 pounds, it can handle even your heaviest tools, measuring approximately 1825 x 30, 94 x 32, 35 inches. The Craftsman tool chest is compact enough to fit in most workspaces without taking up too much room. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, offering peace of mind and reliability. Number 5. Onshine High Capacity Rolling Tool Chest. If you're looking for a tool chest with even higher capacity while staying within a similar budget range, the Onshine Rolling Tool Chest could be the perfect option for you. With its ample drawer space, it allows for effective organization of your tools. Ranking in second place, the Onshine Rolling Tool Chest offers excellent value in the same price range as our previous pick. This unit features a total of 8 drawers and an additional bottom cabinet, providing plenty of storage space for your tools. Measuring 13x24, 4x42, 5 inches, the chest is made from durable stainless steel and is coated with anti-rust paint, ensuring it can withstand seasonal changes without issue. The powder coating also makes the exterior scratch and dent resistant, adding to its longevity. The tool chest includes 3 small drawers, 5 trays, and a bottom cabinet for organized storage, making it easy to categorize your tools. Like most other tool chests, the Onshine Rolling Tool Chest is equipped with swivel casters for easy mobility. Each of the 8 drawers is fitted with ball bearings, ensuring smooth operation and effortless access to your tools.